Artie!
Oh, hi, Go. Hi, Stop.
What are you playing?
I'm taking the little hoppers on a field trip to that field over there. But only if we can get across this mud without falling in.
Let's help.
How do we help Artie across the mud?
He could hop on those stepping stones.
Ready?
Here we go! Go!
Forwards!
Right!
Forwards!
Stop! That doesn't seem right.
Maybe we need to try different blocks.
Or maybe we have the wrong order.
Let's have another go. Here we go! Go!
Forwards!
Right!
Forwards!
Right!
Forwards!
Stop!
I did it! Thanks, everyone. Hi, Go. Hi, Stop. I'm making banners.
Hi, Artie. I've made a tower of flowers.
What a colourful tower of flowers! I wonder, could Artie make a banner using the same colours as your tower? Ready?
Here we go! Go! Splat red! Splat yellow! Splat blue! Splat red! Splat yellow! Splat blue!
Stop!
I think we've done it.
Hello, Frog.
Hi, Stop. Hi, Go. I'm on my way to band practice. Oh, I would be if I knew how to get across this mud.
Don't worry, we do. We helped Artie find his way across, didn't we, Go? I wonder what will happen if you drag the do block in between Go and me.
Here we go! Go!
Forwards!
Right!
Forwards!
Right!
Stop! That doesn't seem right.
Maybe we need to try different blocks.
Or maybe we have the wrong order.
Let's have another go.
Ready?
Here we go! Go!
Forwards!
Right!
Forwards!
Right! Toot!
Forwards!
Stop!
They moved! I can cross over now! Those bugs do love this patch of grass. Thanks, everyone.
Now Frog can make it to band practice on time.
Have fun!
You've helped Frog cross the mud so he can make it to band practice on time.
Hello, Toad.
Hello, Go. Hello, Stop.
We're here to help you grow a plant for the Potted Plant Parade.
Really? That is good news. But can you grow me one with lots of flowers on it?
We can certainly try. I wonder what will happen.
Here we go! Go!
Split in two.
Grow flower.
Stop!
Something's not right. Our plant didn't grow properly.
Maybe we need more do blocks?
Let's give it a go!
Ready?
Here we go! Go!
Split in two. Split in two.
Grow flower.
Stop!
They're really lovely.
You've helped Toad grow a plant with 4 flowers on it.
Shall we see if we can help Toad grow a plant with even more flowers this time?
We can certainly try. Ready?
Here we go! Go!
Split in two. Split in two. Split in two.
Grow flower.
Stop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 flowers!
You helped Toad grow a plant with 8 flowers on it.